Gotta keep on running. I ain't doing no lunging. Gotta watch your back. You never know who's coming. Stay up in your lane, cause niggas will start drumming. I don't feel no pain, cause this ice got me numbing. Peaceful murder, peaceful murder. And I'm back in with a napkin, I'm sick. Been diagnosed with snapping, fuck clapping. Sick fuck is you yapping. Murderer, kill him in all black like I'm Batman. Don't give me the remote, turn it up with big lows. You know we got the lead, you better hit your free throws. I be touching cheese like I'm eating Cheetos. I ain't tryna lick her, she got a big ego. My flow make them go cold turkey. No sympathy, no mercy, work. Me and my niggas take off the line like Jackie Kersey. Gallop to them pesos, just like the Kentucky Derby. If niggas can't relate, I'm the opponent. Call me George Gervin. I stay in a dot swerve or peeking out the window curtains. If I say I'm drinking liquor, that don't mean I'm finna liquor. That don't mean I'm finna liquor. If I say I'm drinking liquor, that don't mean I'm finna liquor. That don't mean I'm finna liquor. If she rollin' with a nigga, she got two friends with her. Two friends with her. If she rollin' with a nigga, she got two friends with her. Two friends with her. I want it all, even at the mall. Shoot to the stove, you know I like the ball. They looking at a nigga, hoping that he fall. Got fired from his job off a goddamn call. The pain, yeah, it hurts, I'ma need a trimmer dog. Don't go nowhere, I'll finish off. Them niggas that's hating ain't for they jaw, and if shit get ugly, I'm breaking the law. I want it all, so I run to the top and I barely can walk. Got the game plan, but I ain't using chalk. Got it all in my head, something like Marshall Falk. Bitch niggas be hating, but I let them talk, and I let they women know that I want it all. I want it all, give it to me right now. There ain't no reason to stop. This world something else, niggas act dusty like old shelves. Make sure that you stay in your lane, cause a wrong turn might push you too far left. Too far left. I see a lot of shit that'll make it alright, but you never going stealth. If a nigga get in the way of my work, I'ma probably have to take off my belt. Gotta keep on running. I ain't doing no lunging. Gotta watch your back. You never know who's coming.